What if one upgrade could instantly make your car smarter and safer? Welcome to Tools Inspector. Today we're revealing 15 smart car gadgets that make driving easier every single day. Number 1. AuxBeam 8-gang switch panel. Tired of messy wiring for accessories? This smart switch panel gives you full control of lights, compressors, and add-ons from one sleek touch panel. The automatic dimming keeps visibility perfect at night. It's waterproof, durable, and built for trucks, boats, and off-road rigs. One upgrade that organizes your entire electrical system. It reduces dashboard clutter dramatically. Perfect for drivers who run multiple electronic accessories. Number 2. Accidents happen fast. Proof matters. This front and rear dashcam records an ultra-clear 4K plus 2K resolution with night vision and wide angles. Built-in GPS tracks routes while parking mode protects your car 24/7. The included SD card means it's ready right out of the box. It's like a security system for your vehicle. Captures clear evidence day or night. A must-have for safety-conscious drivers. Number 3. KUIU Dog Seatbelt. Loose pets can be dangerous during sudden stops. This retractable dog seat belt keeps your pet secure yet comfortable. The elastic buffer absorbs shock to prevent jerks. Durable nylon ensures long-term strength. A small accessory that makes road trips safer for everyone. Adjustable length fits different dog sizes. Gives peace of mind while driving. Perfect for daily commutes and long-distance travel alike. Number 4. Tire Minder i10 TPMS. Low tire pressure can ruin trips and cause blowouts. This wireless monitoring system tracks tire pressure and temperature in real time. The display alerts you instantly if something goes wrong. Designed especially for RVs and trailers. Peace of mind while driving long distances. Helps improve fuel efficiency. Extends tire lifespan with proper pressure monitoring. A smart investment for safer highway driving. Number 5. Situ Heated Mirror Glass. A cracked mirror ruins visibility and safety. This replacement heated mirror restores a clear rear view, even in cold weather. The convex design expands your field of vision. Installation is simple and cost-effective. A quick fix that instantly improves driving safety. Reduces blind spots significantly. Great solution for restoring factory visibility. Restores confidence every time you change lanes. Number 6. Otter Car Trash Can. Messy cars feel stressful to drive. This leak-proof trash bin keeps your interior clean and organized. Side pockets hold wipes or small items. Waterproof lining prevents spills and odors. Clean cabin, clear mind. Compact design fits most vehicles. Keeps clutter from building up daily. Ideal for families, commuters, and road trip travelers. Makes maintaining a tidy car effortless every day. Number 7. What if your mirror could see everything? This smart rear-view mirror doubles as a 4K dash cam with front and rear cameras. Night vision and parking assist improve safety. The wide display eliminates blind spots. It's a mirror upgrade that feels futuristic. Touchscreen controls make operation simple. Great upgrade for modern driving visibility. Combines safety tech and convenience in one device. Perfect for drivers who want smarter visibility and recording. Number 8. Dent Polar Welder. Body shop repairs can cost a fortune. This powerful dent repair kit lets you fix dents yourself with professional precision. Multiple welding modes handle different panel types. The heavy-duty build ensures long service life. A serious tool for serious car owners. Saves hundreds on repair bills. Ideal for garages and workshops. Built for reliable performance on demanding repair jobs. A smart investment for anyone who works on vehicles regularly. Number 9. Road debris can damage paint fast. These custom mud flaps protect your Tesla from dirt, rocks, and water spray. No drilling or tape needed for installation. Built for all-weather durability. Protection that keeps your car looking new. Maintains resale value longer. Designed for a precise factory-style fit. Essential protection for daily driving conditions. Helps preserve your exterior in all seasons. Number 10. Velici Car Air Freshener. Bad smells ruin the driving experience. This premium diffuser delivers a long-lasting luxury scent for up to 120 days. The stylish design looks like a high-end accessory. It eliminates odors instead of masking them. Your car will smell like a luxury lounge. Subtle fragrance isn't overpowering. Great for daily commuters. Number 11. Innova 5110 Code Reader. Check engine light stressing you out? This simple scanner reads diagnostic codes instantly, so you know what's wrong. Works with most cars from 1996 onward. The interface is beginner-friendly. It saves time, money, and guesswork. Clears codes after repairs. Helps you understand issues before visiting a mechanic. Number 12. Land Air C54 GPS Tracker. Want to know exactly where your vehicle is anytime? This compact tracker offers real-time global tracking with strong magnetic mounting. The waterproof build handles harsh conditions. Long battery life keeps it running for days. Perfect for security and monitoring. Accurate location updates in seconds. Number 13. Auto Socks Snow Socks. Snow chains can be bulky and hard to install. These lightweight tire socks provide instant traction on snow and ice. Installation takes minutes with no tools. They store easily in your trunk. Winter driving made simple. Reduces slipping on icy roads. Perfect emergency traction solution. Great backup safety gear for unexpected weather. A practical winter essential for safer, cold weather driving. Number 14. USB Rechargeable Road Flares. Breakdowns at night are dangerous. These bright LED flares warn drivers from a distance with flashing emergency signals. Magnetic bases stick to your car instantly. Rechargeable batteries eliminate replacements. A must-have roadside safety kit. Visible in all weather conditions. Essential for emergency preparedness. Helps keep you visible and protected during roadside stops. An important safety tool every driver should keep in their trunk. Number 15. BMK 200W Power Inverter. Need household power inside your car? This compact inverter converts your 12V outlet into a 110V socket. Multiple USB ports fast charge devices simultaneously. Built-in safety protection prevents overheating. Perfect for travel, work, or emergencies. Powers laptops and small appliances. A reliable companion for long trips. Turns your vehicle into a portable power station. Ideal for anyone who needs power on the go. Thanks for watching Tools Inspector. Subscribe for more smart car upgrades that make every drive better.